How to add multiple photos in Instagram story. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add multiple photos to your Instagram story, all you have to do is simply open up Instagram like this, then go about creating a story. There are two ways on how you can do this. One is via the layout. So you can see the little layout button here. You can simply select a layout that you want. So let me select two photos, and then I can choose a photo from the list like this, and then I can choose the second photo as well. But the problem with this type of method is that I won't be able to customize each of these photos manually. So there is also another way that you can do this. For this, just select a random photo. It could be this one, it could be any other one, a random photo on your story, right? Once you select the photo or video, just tap the three dots here, tap on the draw tool. Now you have to select a color from the bottom. So let's say I want my background to have a blue color. I'll select a color like that, then I'll just long press on it and the color will be changed. Now I'll just save by tapping the check icon. Now you can see I've added the background. So how do I add images to this background? So to add images to this background, here you'll find the little sticker button. So I'll just tap the sticker button here, and then right over here you'll find all this type of filters, and then here you'll find the plus filter as well. So just tap the plus button here. Now all you need to do is simply select the photos that you want to add. The amazing thing is I can drag in, drag out, zoom in, zoom out. I can drag it to wherever I want. If I tap on it, the shape is also going to be changed respectively. I can even repeat the process for other photos by tapping the photos filter, tapping the plus icon, selecting some other photos from the list, and then dragging them accordingly like this. These are the two ways on how you can add multiple pictures to your Instagram story. We hope the video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.